In this video, I will show you how to lower temps on CPU and GPU of a gaming laptop. So first would be through optimizing your physical setup. Elevate your laptop, use a stand or cooling pad to improve airflow underneath. Clean vents and fans, thus buildup restricts airflow, so use compressed air to clean. Now, another way would be through adjusting power and performance settings. So open control panel, and then once you have access control panel, go ahead and head over into the system and security section. Click on power options, and then once you're in here, make sure to click on choose a power plan. So which you'll find at the left side of your screen. So click on that, and then once you're in there, go ahead and select power saver, and then make sure to set maximum processor state to 99% to disable turbo boost. Now, after this, you need to go ahead and enable efficiency mode. So you need to close up this tab and then proceed on accessing the task manager. So to be able to access the task manager, you need to go ahead and click on Control, Shift, and Escape into your keyboard. In here, go ahead and right click the game in the task manager, enable efficiency mode, and then this reduces power draw and heat generation. And lastly, what you can do is to go ahead and advance thermal management. Replace thermal paste. So if you're comfortable opening your laptop, fresh thermal paste can drastically improve heat transfer. And that is how you can basically lower temperature of CPU and GPU of a gaming laptop.